India is growing. And within that growth, certain areas are quietly becoming the addresses of tomorrow. One such address is taking shape in the heart of Gujarat, in Dhadodar near Dholera. Introducing Opal County, a thoughtfully planned gated community, built for those who believe in the power of early decisions. 18 acres of clear title land, carefully located, transparently offered, built on vision. Getting to Opal County is simple. From the Ahmedabad-Dholera Expressway, take the exit toward Hibatpur Junction. At Hibatpur Junction, turn onto the Kasht Bhanjan Hanuman Temple Road. Follow this road south for 2 minutes and take a left. Just 3 minutes ahead, your destination arrives. Opal County, Dhadodar, close to everything that matters. Location is everything. And Opal County's location tells a compelling story. Just 5 minutes from Dholera SIR, India's first government-approved secure investment region under the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. Connected by the Ahmedabad-Dholera Expressway, making commutes smooth and accessibility effortless. Surrounded by functional resorts and hospitality infrastructure already operating in the region, this is not a distant speculative address. This is a location that is already alive and growing. Opal County isn't only about investment returns. It is about the quality of life that comes with the right address. 10 minutes away lies the Black Buck National Park, one of India's most iconic wildlife sanctuaries, celebrated across the world. 30 minutes, the Kasht Bhanjan Hanuman Temple, a landmark of spiritual and cultural significance for the region. Also developing near Dholera SIR, National Maritime Heritage Complex, which is under construction. A tourism complex in Lothal in Ahmedabad district of Gujarat, which will represent the maritime heritage of India. The complex will have museums, amusement parks, educational institute, hotels and resort. Spanning 400 acres, it will become the world's largest maritime museum, showcasing 4,500 years of India's maritime history. Opal County sits at the edge of a natural and cultural tourism belt that is quietly becoming one of Gujarat's most remarkable corridors. Opal County is a gated residential plot community developed across 18 acres of land in Dhadodar. Plots with clear title, legally verified, transparently documented. Wide internal roads, defined plot boundaries, planned infrastructure. A community designed not just for investment, but for those who want to build something that lasts. Whether you plan to build a home here someday, or simply grow your wealth in a location backed by one of India's most ambitious growth stories, Opal County offers you a real, grounded entry point. To fully understand the opportunity at Opal County, you need to understand what is being built just 5 minutes away. Dholera SIR, India's first greenfield smart city, developed from the ground up under the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. Spread across nearly 920 square kilometers, this is not a small township or a developer's layout. This is a city planned, funded and backed by the Government of India. At the heart of the city stands the ABCD building, the Administrative and Business Center for Dholera, the central command hub that manages smart city operations and supports businesses through streamlined approvals and services. An innovative water channelization system is being developed, featuring artificial canals that collect and manage rainwater efficiently. These waterways will not only support sustainable urban planning and water conservation, but will also create an attractive lakefront destination for residents and tourists alike. A 200-bed multi-speciality hospital is under development, bringing advanced healthcare facilities and specialist doctors closer to residents and businesses. Quality education is also taking shape, with a modern school being developed featuring experienced teachers, excellent facilities, and dedicated support staff. Supporting it all is a future-ready infrastructure network, with water, electricity, gas, waste management, and utility services planned through underground systems, creating a cleaner, smarter, and more efficient urban environment. The Ahmedabad-Dholera Expressway, operational. The Dholera International Airport, under construction. Seaports are nearby for more exports, which will help in boosting the economy. Dedicated freight corridors, smart utilities, future metro connectivity. Everything being built here points in one direction: long-term, sustained economic growth. What sets Dholera apart from conventional industrial zones is the nature of industries being invited here. Semiconductors, renewable energy, solar energy park, advanced manufacturing, smart logistics, aviation and aerospace, electronics. These are not the industries of the past. These are the industries that will define India's next 2 decades. And Dholera is being built to host them. Where industry grows, jobs follow. Where jobs follow, people come. Where people come, the value of surrounding land rises. Dholera is not just India's project. It is a project that the world is watching. Foreign investments and global industrial partnerships are steadily turning international attention toward this region. Where infrastructure, industry, and government vision come together, capital follows. And wherever capital flows at scale, the land around it tells a different story in time. At the end of every investment decision, there is a person, a family, a dream. For some, Opal County will be a financial asset, a quietly growing piece of India's largest infrastructure story. For others, it may someday become something more. The address where a home was built, where a child grew up, where a family put down roots, and look back years later, grateful they chose to move early. The biggest opportunities are rarely obvious in the beginning. They look quiet, unfinished, early. Today, Dholera is at that same early moment. And Opal County, just 5 minutes away from its heart, offers you the chance to be part of that story. The future is not built overnight. It is built by vision, by infrastructure, by belief, and by the people who choose to move early. Opal County, defining Dholera's tomorrow.